We're at the Hale Pele. Right here. Looks a little low key and whatnot, but I'd like to check it out. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. Do you mind if I record?
No.
Tiki Bar in Portland. Check it out.
Kiss my kukui. Just kidding.
The vibes. This is awesome.
But then there would be some people that be like,
This has to be the best tiki room I've ever been to. And I've been to a lot.
You guys heard that? It must be true. It must be true. Yeah, so if you're ever in the Portland area, yeah, I suggest driving out here too if you're from the Bay. It's dope. It's pretty dope, yo. Love the vibes.
The lava flow.
What's in the lava flow?
I taste pineapple, banana, strawberry, and like some kind of coconut rum.
So I'm almost done with my second drink, and yeah, I'm feeling pretty good. It's pretty strong too. They don't like skimp out on alcohol. How's your second drink going?
Really good.
Really good?
Yeah.
Getting buzzed?
Getting buzzed.
For sure. So how was your overall experience with Hale Pele?
I like the vibes and the drinks are really good.
Like really good, right? Great quality drinks. How's the food?
The food was good too.
Awesome. What do you rate it from 1 to 5?
1 to 5, maybe like a 3.9. quantity. It was good, but I
Probably
think
the best tiki bar you've been to, right?
yeah, but the food, I think it was just small in portion. Like the katsu was super thin,
I think it's because we shared it.
probably. Yeah, 3.9.
Well, yeah, I mean, in my opinion, I really love this place, Halepele, in Portland, Oregon. I give it a 5 out of 5. It's probably, yeah, it's the best tiki lounge I've been to, and it's like great vibes. It's like, yeah, man, it's awesome. I really love it. I highly recommend this place. 2 thumbs up.